was like, that was like a near-death splash. His whole life flashed before him.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Listen to this is sick.
Jingle bells, 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 bells.
Piano in the bell, bell, bell.
Jingle bell.
Hello Zoe. You right? Yeah, we're on our way. We're like at the dump thing. What do you English people call it? What do English people call it?
A tip.
To the tip, yeah, we're at the tip.
A dump. Is that what it's called?
We're like 2 seconds away, chill out. What do you call it? I call it the dump.
Tip, yeah.
Oh, the tip. It's called the dump in America. Yeah. Now on Netflix for Joe, Power Rangers.
What?
That's what he's giving us. Joe, where you gonna park?
Up your ass.
Up your ass. Cool, we're coming in now, bye. No. That's Rachel.
Right, I'm parking.
Yeah, go park.
I haven't even been to Maccies yet. I've already got a straw thing.
It's so cold in this car.
You're gonna have to give me your money before. Oh shit, me.
What?
That was so close.
Holy!
How close am I? Get
Pull
out.
forward a bit.
You're literally like.
I think you've hit it.
I did not. I did.
Well, you
I
haven't
didn't-
dinged
I
it.
didn't
We'd
hit it.
know if. Wait, no, you did.
No, I didn't.
Did not.
I didn't
We'd
feel
know
it.
if you hit it.
Get out.
How the shit am I gonna have it? Well, you go a little bit there. You go a little
That's right,
back.
you didn't
and
dink it.
Shimmy it. Just shimmy it round. Why would you park there, you prick?
Fuck me. Ethan, can you get out and just like
Show you how close you are.
yeah, each time?
Oh, you know what a good tune is? Oh, come on, we got this. Yipped it. Nice.
Bye.
You won. Catch you later, bro.
Big cones.
What's in there?
It's Joe's bag, not mine.
I know, but like.
How dare you go fishing? No.
A lot of condoms. He's gonna go see his girlfriend.
Oh, it's a pack of French fries. Yeah, mine's a pack of condoms not in the box.
Yeah, just loose.
Yeah.
They've all been taken out of the individual packaging as well.
Oh, I've got my
Lube everywhere.
Yeah. Is that the PS2 theme? The opening thing?
No,
Dropping
trust me,
through.
I recently invested in one. How much do double cheeseburgers cost?
Oh.
Twice as much as a cheeseburger.
Really?
No, I don't know.
Oh god! It's like one of those game cutscenes that you look over and you see that guy just in your
Guy! Did you get hit with a taser there, buddy?
3 different GoPros. We
got
need
the
the
best.
GoPros on the outside as well. To get the outside.
I was thinking of
shots.
getting another GoPro.
Yes.
Stick on that.
Definitely.
So it comes. It's got backseat ones.
I think you definitely want
that
an
was
outside. I
heavy.
think I've lost most of the power in my left arm.
Just
Either
from
that or I had a stroke last night.
Just from sleeping on it.
You have to like lift it with the other hand.
I cuddle my pillow. That's how I sleep. One arm under it sideways, and then it's like.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm sleeping at the minute.
Pillow's like along. Like,
Arm up. Yeah. Still running alright?
the car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Seems good.
Oh shit.
I've got to get your tax sorted out.
That's the power. That'll make the car go a million miles an hour. So is it not lock when you central lock it? That's what Lucy's does. You central lock it.
I haven't tested it. I don't think it does though.
I think you should. You should test it.
I'll try it.
Go out, lock it. Now see if you can open it. There you go. Every day is a school day. Indicators, waste of time.
It's indicating no. No one has to anymore.
She keeps on thinking that I'm like some kind of like socially
Person.
yeah, basically. And because I'm new, I'm not new to Leamington, so I'm all good, so she can leave me alone. But she's just there like,
Help finding friends.
no, well actually that's what another teacher said. He was like, make friends with these people. I was like,
Not forced to be friends.
no. This other teacher, she was like, she said, do you want to move to the front? You just seem a bit distant. I was like, no, I'm good. In the back, thanks. Yeah, I'm good. And then in front of the I've done this thing on the camera and she thinks that I don't understand, which is just my face. And she goes, Zoe, do you want to do it? And then everyone just turns and looks at me and it's silent. And I just kind of nodded and just turned around.
Thirsty. Oh.
Oh.
Don't understand. Tasty.
Can you not leave the windows open this time? Every time I get in my car,
I never leave. I don't open windows.
every time in the week, someone's like, "You know this window's open." I'm like, "No, I didn't know."
I rarely ever just do it.
It was that one that was open last time.
See, I stopped opening them to tell it to open last time.
You left it wide open, Sal.
Yeah, I know, that's why I stopped doing it. One more time.
Probably illegal to vape while driving, so I'm not going to do that.
No, it's not.
Why would it be? It's like
You can smoke in a car.
two hands.
You can smoke in a car.
Legally.
Oh, legally we can't. Oh, think about that. We can't actually smoke in cars. Doing it in cars is a whole other thing. You can't smoke in cars with children. So
Oh shit.
we're breaking like 2 laws at once. Or we could do.
It's not working. No, I can't even. It's not, it's just done shit. Is that what happens when the song's not playing? Excuse me. What is this?
It's such a good tune.
Righty. Thank you very much.
That's alright, baby.
I'll see you in like 20 minutes. Not, wait, well, 20 minutes.
20. What gym session?
Yeah,
you
that's what I
doing?
say. I'll see you in like an hour and a bit.
Alright.
Okay, honey, bye-bye.
Bye,
Thank you very
baby.
much.